Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be learning about extended division facts. So number 1 says,
Extended division facts. 1. Write a basic division fact and extended division fact for each fact triangle. Basic fact. 24 divided by 8 equals blank. Extended fact. 240 divided by 8 equals blank.
all right. So in my head, when I'm looking at this division fact, I need to think opposite. So, what is 8 that I could multiply by to get 24? What could I multiply times 8 to get 24? Because that will be my answer. So what would that be? Right. So to get 24, I get 3. Another way that you could do it, if you're having trouble knowing your facts, is you could draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you could count, you could put 24 lines until you get done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's another way you could do it. And so now, all I have to do is when I divide 240 divided by 8, I just use my 0 as my hero trick, and I just add the 0. So there's a way that you can do number 1. Let's try another. Okay. Now, let's try to think here. So we are going to
Extended division facts. 2. Write a basic division fact and extended division fact for each fact triangle. Basic fact. Extended fact.
Okay, so what we're going to do is, for our basic fact, we're going to come up here, and we are going to take away the 0. So we're going to have 28, and then we're going to divide it by 4. Okay, now I need to think, what times 4 equals 28? Right, yes. The answer would be 7, because I know that 4 times 7 equals 28. Now we need to do our extended division fact. So we're going to do 280 divided by 4 equals what? So we already know it equals 7, and we can just use the zeros, our hero trick, and I see a 0 here, so I just add a 0 there. And that's how I know how to find my answer. Let's try the next one. All right, we have another one. So what's our basic fact here? Yes, our basic fact would be 56 divided by 8. Okay, and what is that? I said be 7. Because I know, and like I said before, if you don't know your multiplication facts, you can draw those circles on the side to help yourself figure them out. Now we got to do our extended facts. So we're going to take 560, divide it by 8. Now I can pull down my 7 from up top. And now, since I know I just added a 0 here, I just add a 0 here. And there's my answer. Okay. Write a basic division fact and an extended division fact for the fact triangle. Right. So for 4, I'm going to look at my zeros, and I see up here, and I'm just going to get rid of them. So I'm going to take 72 divided by 9. And now I need to think, what times 9 equals 72? So I'm going to go through my facts that I know, and I remembered that that equals 8. So I'm going to write my 8. Now, though, I need to do my extended division fact. So I'm going to take 720, and I'm going to divide it by 90. I'm going to get yes, the same answer would be 8. That's it, because if I look here, I still have the same amount of zeros. And so if I cross those out, it's the same number that I had before. Okay. See what number 5 is. All right. Okay. Now, our basic fact. I'm going to look up here, and I'm just going to get rid of my zeros. So I'm going to take 48, and I'm going to divide that by 6. Oops. I'm going to divide it by 6. That equals what? Yep, that would equal 8. Now I got to do my extended division fact. So now I'm going to take 4,800 and divide it by 6. And so I know if I have 2 zeros here, then my answer is also going to have 2 zeros. And that's how you do those. Alrighty, I'm going to leave you guys number 6 and number 7 to go ahead and try on your own.